Hello guys, how to fix system restore grayed out issue on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, your system restore is grayed out or disabled, then here are the fixes. First, launch run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type sysdm.cpl. It will open system properties windows in your system. Click on OK. System properties windows will open. Here go to system protection from the top menu bar. Click on it and here scroll down and create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection is grayed out. Then open system protection and make sure that turn on system protection is duly enabled. If you found protection disabled, then your system restore window will not working or grayed out. So enable system protection first. The second one is again go to run command box, right click on start button and choose run. Here type gp services.msc to open services windows in your system. Click on OK and here look for volume shadow copy. Scroll down and look for volume shadow copy. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and a startup type set as automatic. And finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The one more method you must apply. To do so, again launch run command box, right click on the start button and choose run. gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor in your system. gpedit.msc. Click on OK. It will open local group policy editor in your Windows 10 and 11 home edition only. Here from the left side under computer configuration, expand administrative templates. Here expand system and scroll down and choose system restore. Select it. Thereafter go to right side and turn off system restore. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and make sure that it is not enabled. If you found it enabled, then disabled it or not configured. Choose both one of not configured and disabled option and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Your system restore option will now no any grayed out.